Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Konami ID unable to log in. So if you're having this Konami issue ID, something like this, then I am going to show you how to easily fix this without much stress. So now let's proceed. First of all, head over to your Chrome or any browser of your choice. Then on the search tab, search Konami. And then the official website of Konami will appear. Just click on the link, and then they will ask you to log in or register if you're a new user. So just click login. In there, they will ask you to input your email address. So make sure that you use the email address you use in opening this Konami. Then click login, and then they will ask you to put your password. Make sure you put the right password. So after putting it, they'll ask you to check all boxes with the character. Make sure that you select the right box that has this character. So let me just input them immediately. And then you click login. So that is how you can be able to solve this.